How's it going, guys? Sean with SAG Apiaries. It's February 26th, and we're just doing a quick checkup. So yesterday, we went and got in all our boxes. The weather wasn't too good, so we just got in and got out as quick as we could. We found the queens, we found eggs, we found brood. The hives are doing really good. There's a couple that are still a little bit weak, but most of them are starting to blow up. We're bringing in a lot of pollen, and we took all the feeders out, so that's what we got. Here it is, Tuesday morning, 7 a.m., February 26th. I'm just going to show you the hives real quick. All last week I was working out of town, so I wasn't able to get in the hives and show you guys anything. But the weather's supposed to be really bad today and tomorrow. It was pretty crappy yesterday, but we had to get in them. So we just got in, got out, wasn't able to take any video. So here, I'll just show you a little bit. So I'm sitting here editing the video, and I realized that I totally forgot to talk about this bush that's behind me. I have no idea what it is, but it's blooming and the bees are loving it. They're all over it. Let me show you. Of course, there's way more bees on it this morning, but let's hop inside and finish editing. Ooh, here we are. So before I get back to editing, I just want to let you guys know that I will be getting in those hives very soon, doing an in-depth look at them, probably putting some supers on, some splits, some other stuff like that. So season's about to just blow up, so we'll definitely be getting a lot more videos put out. This weekend I'll be out of town on family matter. I have to go up to North Florida, but hopefully before then I can get out to the bee yard. Really need to get out to the bee yard, show those guys some love, but I'll definitely take you guys along with me.